Okay, thank you very much for coming back to our channel again. Question number 13 on our list of questions for Calculus 1, section 2 at the University of Liberia. We are going to be evaluating the limit of the square root of 1 plus the square root of 2 plus x minus the square root of 3, all divided by x minus 2. So if we apply direct substitution, we have 2 plus 2, that's 4.
Can put your finger on.
And then square root of 4 is 3. Square root of 4 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. Root 3 minus root 3 will cancel out. So let's quickly move in and solve this problem. With use substitution, we say let the entire square root of 1 plus the square root of 2 plus x be equal to u. If we square both sides, we have 1 plus the square root of 2 plus x is equal to u squared. Since it's across, the square root of 2 plus x is equal to u squared minus 1. And then square both sides again. 2 plus x is equal to u squared minus 1. We send this across. X will be equals to, so this all square. We will square both sides again. So x is equals to u squared minus 1 all square minus 2. Now, that is the value of x. But then, at x approaches 2, we'll solve it 2 here. 2 plus 2, 4. The square root of 4 is 2. So 2 plus this one is 3. So u will be approaching the square root of 3. Move on and write the limit. This entire expression is u. So it's u minus root 3 all divided by this x is this expression u squared minus 1 all squared minus 2. And then you have a minus 2 here as u approaches root 3. So you have the limit of u minus root 3 all divided by, this will be u squared minus 1 all squared minus 2, that's negative 4 as u approaches root 3. So you have the limit. Now, what actually happens here is that we are going to use what we call difference of two squares in the denominator. So we have u minus root 3 all divided by, this will give you u squared minus 1 minus 2 times u squared minus 1 plus 2 as u approaches root 3. So from there, we are going to have the limit of u minus root 3 all divided by u squared is u squared minus 3. And that will be factorized as u plus root 3 times u minus root 3 all onto u squared. If we simplify this, you get u squared plus 1 as u approaches root 3. What you observe is that this and this are going to cancel out. U minus root 3, u minus 3 cancel out. And then we have the limit of 1 over u plus root 3 times u squared plus 1. So u approaches root 3. If we do direct substitution, we have 1 over root 3 plus root 3 multiplied by root 3 all square plus 1. So this will be 1 over root 3 plus root 3 is 2 root 3 all multiplied by root 3 all square, that's 3 plus 1. And then we have 1 over 2 root 3 multiplied by 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. So we multiply the entire expression, we have 1 over 2 root 3 times 4 is 8 root 3. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the result for this particular problem. So thank you very much for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.